Need to mark a PDF as approved, completed, confidential, or ready for signing? With PDF Editor Studio, you can add professional stamps directly to your PDF inside Chrome. Start by opening your document in PDF Editor Studio. From the Tools panel on the right, select Stamps. You'll see a range of ready-to-use stamp options, including approved, not approved, draft, final, completed, confidential, void, initial here, and more. In this example, we're adding an initial here stamp to an invoice. Simply choose the stamp you need, then click or drag it onto the document. Once placed, you can move it to the correct position, resize it using the corner handles, or rotate it to suit your layout. You can also continue adding other elements to your PDF, such as a signature, before saving your finished document. Added something by mistake? Just select it and remove it before exporting. Once everything is in place, click Export to download your updated PDF. The Stamps tool is perfect for invoices, contracts, approvals, reviews, and documents that need clear status labels. Add stamps to PDFs quickly and easily with PDF Editor Studio. Click the link in the description to download PDF Editor Studio from the Chrome Web Store and subscribe for more quick PDF tips.